Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. I have the great pleasure of bringing to you on this walk round tour a brand new model to the Coachman range for 2021, and that of the Laser XCEL 845 2021. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of this particular caravan. So a new logo for Coachman for 2021 in that badge that you see at the front. The XCEL laser range benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You've got the two side gas locker boxes. On this left hand side, space for your step, your steady winder, your electric hookup cable and a few other light items just to watch that nose weight when you're filling up the caravan. Two gas bottles on the right hand side. As we come down the side here and see the exterior barbecue point and exterior 240 volt socket. One of the other fantastic features in the Laser XCEL range is the fact that already fitted is the EMP self-leveling system. You've got the wonderful silver side and the beautiful logo really offsetting and showing this caravan in a fantastic light. Two Alco secure wheel locks coming with this caravan as a standard item. The great thing with the EMP self-leveling as well, being able to slightly jack the caravan up to line those wheels up so you can actually get the Alco wheel lock through to the Alco wheel lock receiver that you see located there. So stepping inside the caravan, the one great thing and real nice feature about this is the L-shaped front lounge. Mood lighting dotted throughout, making this caravan really stand out as a unique caravan. New introduction of this beautiful Korean worktop. You've got an easy usable height microwave located by the Omnivent in the kitchen area. Mood lighting dotted throughout, so really shining and looking fantastic of an evening. The gloss locker effect moving into a two-tone wood effect towards the front. You have the panoramic sunroof at the front, again letting further light in, and also this medium-sized Hecky light. To give you an indication of feeling of how spacious this lounge area is with that L-shaped front lounge and high quality of fabric scheme. You've got space for a television on the side here, should that be a need and a consideration for you, with further mood lighting underneath. Located above the habitation door, you have the Aldi wet central heating and also the Coachman command panel. A slight upgrade on the 2021 models for the EMP self-leveling system in the fact that you have this device located by the habitation door that you see here, but it also drops out. So you can actually use it as, I believe, the handheld remote control. So a little bit of an upgrade and a fantastic little perk there. 240 volt socket and USBs located by the habitation door with further storage located underneath and also above. And also the slight L shape on this kitchen area really makes it stand out as unique and bespoke. 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. You've then got the very large Dometic fridge freezer. Key feature opening on both sides, both top and bottom, with a small amount of storage above. The great thing about this caravan and where this caravan really stands out though is that it's a rear island bed and you can see front to back, giving a fantastic flow and a fantastic feeling of space. However, should you need and should you wish for privacy, you can shut it off with a solid door as you see there. And then stepping in to a very spacious and large central square shower cubicle. Very rare to see this kind of a size in a centre bathroom caravan. And you've also got a sliding door, so a solid sliding door through to the bedroom area as well, should you need to shut just solely the bedroom area off. We've then got this solid door which closes off to the bathroom area with the Thetford toilet, the Aldi wet central heated towel rail, and then the high quality of finish in the bathroom area with a nice large vanity mirror and also storage above. It's very spacious and large rear island bed that you see here, giving you access to comfortably walk around each side of the bed with ease and no problem at all. Further storage located above with cupboards on either side and a nice generous sized Hecky light in that bedroom area. And also a second television point located to the left or right hand side, depending on how you walk in. So this gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Laser XCEL 845 2021 model has to offer. I absolutely believe that this caravan is going to sell rapidly. So an opportunity to buy a fantastically well-spec'd new model caravan in the Coachman range. If you have any queries or questions at all, please feel free to contact us here at Grantham. We'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.